Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to get rid of scars. Scars are fibrous tissues that replace the damaged skin after an injury. They can be pink, brown or white in color and the texture depends on the nature of the injury, depth of the wound and also the location of the wound. Your sex, age, ethnicity and genes can also influence the appearance of the scar. While it can take years for scars to lighten, odds are that the scars would not go away completely. However, you can certainly improve the texture of the scar and also lighten it significantly using some common yet effective household ingredients. If a recent scar has become a reason of botheration, these best 10 remedies that can help get rid of scars. Home remedy number 1, aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is one of the best treatments for scars. Add 2 drops of almond oil and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel in a glass bowl. Apply the mixture on the affected area with your fingers. Massage the scar with gentle strokes until the mix is completely absorbed in the skin. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then rinse it off with water. Home remedy number 2, vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a lipid-soluble vitamin that can easily penetrate in your skin. Rub vitamin E oil on the scar, especially after a shower and during bedtime. Massage the area gently to absorb the oil completely in the skin. Home remedy number 3, castor oil. Castor oil works by penetrating into the skin to soften the area and break up the scar tissue. Apply and massage the castor oil on the scar and massage the area lightly for 1 to 2 minutes. Home remedy number 4, lemon. Lemon is a rich source of alpha hydroxyl acid that helps bolster healthy skin. Soak a cotton ball in fresh lemon juice. Dab the lemon soaked cotton ball over the scar. Keep it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off with tepid water. Home remedy number 5, baking soda. Baking soda is an excellent remedy to treat acne scars. It works by gently scraping the scar tissue layer by layer. Mix 1 tablespoon each of baking soda and water to form a paste. Apply the paste on the scar and massage gently in circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it on for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Use the application 2 or 3 times a week to get rid of acne scar in 2 months. Home remedy number 6, honey. Unfiltered and unprocessed honey acts as a natural humectant to keep the scar tissues well moisturized and to speed up healing. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to 2 tablespoons of unfiltered honey in a glass of bowl. Mix the ingredients well to get a paste-like consistency. Apply the paste on the scar. Use this remedy 3 to 4 times a week. Home remedy number 7, cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is also rich in antioxidants that improve the tone and texture of the healthy skin and prevent it from damage. Take a dollop of cocoa butter and massage it on the scar. Continue to massage the area in circular motion until cocoa butter is completely absorbed into the skin. Home remedy number 8, onion juice. Onion juice works on a scar by stimulating the production of collagen in your skin. Soak a cotton ball in fresh onion juice. Dab it over the scar and allow it to dry completely. You can leave it as it is or rinse it off if the smell bothers you. Home remedy number 9, turmeric. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is loaded with skin healing properties. Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a bowl. Mix 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice to it. Apply the paste on your scar and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water and apply a light moisturizer. Home remedy number 10, coconut oil. The saturated fats in coconut oil keep the skin supple and hydrated, ensuring faster healing of the wound. Massage organic coconut oil directly on the scar for 2 to 3 minutes. Always do a patch test first to check your skin sensitivity toward an ingredient used in the remedies. If you experience excessive burning, wash it off immediately and try another remedy. Apply these remedies as set direction to treat scars. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.